Now we know how to make a positive sentence with a verb to be, how to make it negative with not, adding not after the verb to be. The next step is to learn how to make questions. If you want to ask something with the verb to be, what you need to do? The answer is simple. You need to change the places of the verb, are, in this case, and the pronoun, you. Examples. Hi, are you Peter? No, I'm not. I'm Max. My brother is Peter. We are twins. Are you? Question. The positive, you are. You see, you just change the places of you and are, and the question is formed. Are you Peter? The answer, no, I'm not. No, negative form. No, I'm not. After that. Is Max 30? No, he isn't. He is 29. Max is 29. Positive sentence. Max is. You change the places, is Max, and you make the question. Is Max 30? Negative answer. No, he isn't. No, comma, the negative form of the verb to be. No, he isn't. Is she your sister? Is she? Question. The positive one, she is. Is she your sister? Yes, she is. This is on. Positive answer, yes, and the positive form of the verb to be. She is. Is she? Yes, she is. Is it sunny outside? Yes, it is. It is sunny. Positive sentence. You want to make a question, so you change the places of is, the verb, and it, the pronoun. Is it sunny outside? Yes, it is. One more. Are we in London? Yes, we are. Are we? Question. Positive answer, yes, we are. Are you married? No, we aren't. Are they twins? Yes, they are. Just imagine this one, the picture is not perfect. So, are they? Yes, they are. Are they? You ask the question. Yes, they are. You give positive answer. How you form the question? You exchange the places of the verb and the pronoun. A quick revision of everything. So, am I? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Or no, you aren't. Here it depends on the context. It depends in what situation you are going to use it. You understand this a little bit later if it is still unclear. So, are you married? You answer, yes, I am. You can't answer, yes, you are, right? So, are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yes, he is. Positive answer. No, he isn't. Negative answer. After that, is she your sister? Yes, she is. Is she? Positive. Yes, she is. Negative. No, she isn't. You see that every time when you want to answer positively, you use yes, you put comma, and after that, she is, the positive form of the verb to be. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it sunny outside? Is it? Positive answer, yes it is. Negative answer, no it isn't. Is it? Yes it is. No it isn't. And the plural forms, are we? Yes we are. No we aren't. Positive and negative answer. After that, are you? Yes you are. No you aren't. And are they? Yes they are. No they aren't. Good. So far we know the positive, the negative, and the question forms of the verb to be. We can also ask questions and give short answers. This yes, comma, something, this is called short answer. Positive short answer, yes I am. Negative short answer, no I'm not. Let's do some exercises. You know, we are checking the PDF, you are doing the exercises, and the answers are in the next video. So checking the exercises first. Here they are. The first task, you need to make the questions. You need to fill in with the correct form of the verb to be. Think for whom you are talking about. If you talk about I, he, she, then just put the correct form. And the second one, there are 4 questions, 2 of them questions, 1 positive, 1 negative. Using the words that are given, you need to make sentences. Let's check them. Do, and I'm waiting for you in the next video.